Here's the package and the spare parts when you receive the machine. And this one is a 3-belt power and 2 IC cards and 2 handle. Okay. Let's install the handle. Put on the holder and check the connector and insert well. And come here and here. Okay. 2 handpiece is same, no difference to insert. Okay, insert well. And here is the plug. And this one is fuse. Anti-clockwise to open and fuse to change. Insert well clockwise. Okay, here's the power. Okay, here's IC card. Tip or down and insert. Okay. Here's the red indicator. It shows a power on. Okay, turn. It becomes white indicator.